Hello everyone! Did you know you can customize display engaging Lottie animations on Gutenberg using Essential Blocks? Let's find out how. Make sure you have installed and activated the Essential Blocks plugin on your WordPress website. Go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard. Click on the Essential Blocks from the left side panel. Navigate to the Blocks tab at the top. Under the Creative Blocks section, toggle to enable the Lottie animation block. Let's see how to configure this block on Gutenberg. Open a page or post. Hit the plus icon where you want to add the Lottie animation. Search for the Essential Blocks Lottie animation block and select it. You can add the Lottie animation via direct upload, choose from media library or insert a URL from Lottie. Here, we are uploading a Lottie JSON file. Go to your Lottie Files account. Essential Blocks supports all Lottie animation file types like JSON, MOV, GIF, etc. Download your desired Lottie animation according to your preferences. Get back to Gutenberg Editor and select the Upload option in the Lottie animation block. Choose your downloaded Lottie animation. Once the upload is complete, the animation will be visible on the editor instantly. You can also add a Lottie animation by directly inserting its URL. To do this, click on an individual Lottie animation in Lottie Files. In the right side panel, go to the Handoff section. Pick your desired asset link format from the dropdown and set other preferences. Then, copy the URL from the asset link field. Get back to Gutenberg Editor and choose the Insert from URL option in the Lottie animation block. Add the collected Lottie animation's URL in the field and press Enter. The Lottie animation will then be fetched instantly from the URL and added. Under the General tab in the right side panel, toggle to show the caption. You can also adjust the animation's alignment. Plus, you get to reverse the animation, set the animation speed, start point and end point, trigger and loop settings and more. You can choose from 5 different trigger options including autoplay, hover, click and more. In the Style tab, you can adjust the width, height and other style elements. From the Advanced tab, you can tweak advanced settings for margin, padding, background and others. Hit the Save button once you are done. Let's see what the Lottie animation looks like. As you can see, both the Lottie animations are visible on the front end according to our selected settings. This is how easily you can add and show Lottie animations on Gutenberg with Essential Blocks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you an amazing web creation experience.